This is what I'm looking at. I'm doing 20 kilometers an hour, third gear. There's Tunnel Lake Lodge. You can almost see it. I can't even tell where the fucking road is. But staying home in your comfy fucking rocking chair. Come truck to 129. Yeah, let's do this. Go for a load of logs. Yeah, awesome. Thank you. Look, you can't even see the fucking windshield wipers in there. It's so freaking bad. Just past Tunnel Lake Resort. I've been in this at 25 kilometers an hour since Ranger Lake Road almost. And that was at about 6 o'clock, and now it's 9. 3 hours. Unfucking real. I don't know if I'm gonna make the hill. I got power divider on, both diff locks on, pushing snow up my bumper somewhat. When I could see, I was going a little bit faster, and the snow was going so high off my front tires that it was going past my mirrors in height like the spray. Oh, someone lost a big chunk of snow there. No plows out, no cars out, no trucks out, can't see shit. Okay, that's the end of this. 129 southbound, I'm gone.